How to find the highest paid employees in each department? We are having a list of employees. We'll group them as per their department, and for each group, who is the highest paid employees. So let's do that by using Stream API. So this list of employees will convert to, we'll call the Stream API stream function. It will become a stream of employees. Then we need to grouping as per their department, and for each department we'll find the highest paid salary. So to call, we need to collect it actually, to collect, and we need to call this grouping by function. So grouping by function, it will be present in collectors class. We'll call this grouping by function. Okay, so here first let's group by department. So we'll use that employee, will pass, it will be group on basis of department, get department. Then we need to, for each department we need to get the maximum salary. Okay, so we can call max by method. Okay, in that collectors class we are having a max by method, and that maximum of each department, right? So it will compare actually for each department, it will compare all the salaries. So we need to call that comparing with the salary. The salary here, if you go to employee class, salary is declared as double, right? So we need to call this comparing double something. So that is present in comparator class. If you call comparator dot comparing by comparing double, and here you will say it will compare with salary, right? You see what I am doing in the first parameter, I just did the grouping as per that department. In second parameter, I just find the maximum value for each department. So to get that, I call that maximum by max by, and here I pass that comparator, comparing double with respect to that salary. I wanted to get the maximum values. So this is the syntax. If you practice, it will come. You understand what is that, then try to practice once. It is one line of coding only. Until you will not practice, you will forget, like you will not able to explain, or you not able to write the code. Okay, so you see this max by is returning a optional. Why? Because you see this is returning a optional list. Why? Because any department can have, some department won't have any employees. That is also possible in real life, right? That's what we are using optional. So it is a map where key will be department. You see we are having key value, right? This is one key and this will be the value. The key will be department and value will be for that particular department, what is the employee salary. So what we will do, we will hold it, the result, into a map. The key will be department, it is string, and value will be optional employee. Optional employee. Okay, I will say top, any name you can give, something like that I will say, and let me import this map. Okay, so now this optional, we need to import this java.util. Now, okay, we need to provide one more angle bracket because for this. Okay, so this is the variable name. Now we can print by using a sysout statement. You see what it is doing in IT department. You see what is the highest paid salary. Who is getting? Gopal is getting 3 lakhs, Ravi is getting 90,000, Hari is getting 1,10,000. So we should get 3 lakhs is the global for IT department. And for HR department, Deepak and Dilip and Kiran, so 60,000 and 70,000. So you should get Dilip getting 70,000. And sales department, we are having one employee only, 50,000. So it's supposed to come. So you'll see it will come actually. So you see sales department 50,000, Meera alone coming. Then HR department, Dilip alone coming. Dilip salary is more than other fellows, so 70,000. And IT department, Gopal only coming because Gopal is getting 3 lakhs per month. Okay, so anyway, you see this is the way to get the max by max salary. You can get the mean salary. Okay, so mean by, if you'll see, if I'll say mean by, it will give minimum salary. So in case of IT department, now who is getting less salary? In IT department, Robbie is getting less salary. You see, now we'll get Robbie we are getting, right? Like this, now we are getting Kiran, not Dilip, 60,000. And this is the default salary, one employee only, he will come, Mira. Okay, like this we can get the minimum salary of each department and maximum salary of each department. This is the important question actually. If you understand how to group, and you will try to write some code, then you will be able to write this logic whenever it will ask, you can write anywhere. You just keep on practice. Thank you so much for watching.